Hey everyone, I'm Anjali. I'll be presenting cognitive models and bias in AI assisted legal reasoning. As AI tools like LLMs enter legal workflows, they are not just making work faster, they are influencing how legal professionals think and make decisions. In this presentation, I'll share why this question matters, how I approach the literature review, and what the research reveals about the future of AI in law. The legal field relies on deep analytical reasoning, comparing precedents, and making ethical judgments. But with LLMs now handling tasks like drafting and summarizing, lawyers are increasingly offloading cognitive effort to AI. Cognitive science shows that offloading can certainly change how we reason, especially over time. And because both humans and AI carry biases, the interaction between them can amplify errors. So, this project is really about understanding how AI affects human cognition in a domain where accuracy and judgment truly matter. This project draws on several cognitive models that help explain why AI affects legal reasoning. One of them is dual process theory, where we talk about system 1, which is a fast and intuitive type of thinking, and system 2, which is slow, deliberate, analytical, and crucial for legal decision making. We also talk about cognitive offloading, which can lead to decline in critical reasoning among legal professionals, and metacognition, which allows practitioners to evaluate their cognitive strategies and biases. Initially, I took a broad look at AI bias in legal systems, but as I dug deeper, cognitive offloading kept appearing as a key theme, especially in studies by Risco, Gilbert, and Gerlich. Their findings showed that heavy reliance on automation can weaken critical thinking and deep reasoning. That pushed me to narrow my focus. Instead of only asking what AI gets wrong, I shifted toward exploring how AI may influence the human reasoning behind legal decisions. The research shifted focus from broad AI bias to cognitive offloading, and this evolution highlighted long term impacts on expertise within the legal profession, guiding future inquiries. One major finding is that cognitive offloading can reduce the depth of engagement needed for true legal expertise. When AI performs tasks like summarizing cases or generating arguments, lawyers may skip the mental steps that build understanding. The research shows that retention drops and the ability to reconstruct reasoning weakens with heavy AI use. In law, this could impact skills like analogical reasoning, interpreting legislative intent, and spotting inconsistencies. Dual process theory help explain this shift. LLMs generate confident fluent text which naturally triggers fast intuitive system 1 thinking. But legal work depends on slow reflective system 2 thinking. Studies on judges already show vulnerability to biases like anchoring and framing. When paired with persuasive AI output, people may accept answers too quickly. Over time, this can lead to what researchers call cognitive laziness, trusting AI suggestions without fully verifying them. Another finding is the interaction between human and AI biases. AI models inherit patterns from their training data. Humans bring their own biases, anchoring, confirmation bias, and overconfidence. When AI provides a bias summary that becomes an anchor the lawyer builds their reasoning around. Even small distortion can ripple into large judgment errors. This bias coupling makes hybrid human AI decision making particularly risky. The literature also points towards solutions. One is neurosymbolic reasoning. These hybrid systems make the reasoning process more consistent and easier for humans to trace. They encourage users to stay cognitively engaged rather than passively accepting AI output. Another solution is explainable AI, but not all explanations help chain of thought can create an illusion of understanding. Structural or logic-based explanation work better because they require users to interpret the reasoning, keeping system 2 active and supporting deeper expertise. To conclude, LLMs offer real benefits for legal work, but they also introduce cognitive risks. Cognitive offloading can weaken the reasoning, and human AI biases can reinforce each other. But with cognitive aware design, like neurosymbolic tools, strong human in loop workflows, AI can act as a partner rather than a crutch. The future of AI in law depends on balancing efficiency with protecting the depth and integrity of human judgment. Thank you for listening.